When it comes to See & Spray, I know it's been kind of a generational shift or just a big change in how customers are used to just broadcasting the whole field. So what's been probably the biggest challenge, or how have guys kind of overcome that hurdle of almost using this as a different method? Are they having to pretty much totally rejig their whole thinking when it comes to this machine and what it can do?
There's a lot of talk about chemical practices and farming practices in general. The consensus we've heard from most guys, they're still going to go in there with a residual pass, a broadcast pass. But then with See & Spray, a lot of guys are thinking that maybe they can come back in with something like a status that's a fairly expensive chemical that works really well to control some of these weeds. The biggest shift in thinking, or the shift in learning, is trying to figure out how to load that sprayer and how much to load it with. The nice thing with these machines is after you run them through the field, you get a weed pressure map. And so the more that you run these across the fields and the more maps you get, you start to get an idea of kind of what to load on the machine, and you can kind of notice trends across fields in terms of how much chemical you need to plan on taking with you to the field.